subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to know when we post a new video.
We'll be making slime this week.
I know. We'll be making slime this week.
Some slimes have been good and bad. So this one was the bad one. As you see, it's really jiggly and it's not even stretchy.
See, like on mine.
This one is amazing. We've made it and it's super stretchy. And you can make even bubbles with it.
Look. Well, this one didn't work out very well. It's quite sticky. I'm going to do the white one. Tessa's one failed because like hers was really green.
Mine was green and was disgusting, so yeah.
So should we show how to make the winning slime today?
Yes, so this was the winning slime that we had and we will show you how to make it today.
Where's the white slime?
Yeah, this is my winning slime. This is my winning slime. Alright, let's get started.
What are the ingredients?
The first ingredient is glue.
What's the second ingredient?
Shaving cream. Next ingredient is some borax mixed with some water.
Is there a fourth ingredient? Tess?
Well, you could add a bit of food colouring and some eye contact lens solution.
Or we can add some glitter.
Good idea.
Like this. Because like we saw it on Safari and like it says it would be very good, but it wasn't really so good.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun ain't changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We're south of the equator, navigator. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We got two in the front, two in the back.
Did you see the other slime video?
Make sure you watch our other slime video.
Ellen's slime was the
Our
worst.
slime was...
Our slime was really fluffy.
Oh my gosh, my hands are basically just aching and aching and aching and aching and aching.
It's hard work, huh? Making slime.
It's really hard work. The hardest thing is mixing it. Because like your arms get
Oh my word, you're getting it good.
Didn't wash my hands. Just taking it.
Good. I'm going to give you a plate. Yeah, it is. All is good. What do you think? Look. Right, let me get a plate for you.
Yeah, play. That's
My hands are aching.
the shaving cream that we used is look good. Look, Mama. And put my slime.
Wow. And can you
Mom,
do
I was the one who got all.
Alright, Tess, I've got one in the drawer. Right, so you want to thank them all? Now, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to...
So these are our finished slimes. They're really good. Thank you for watching the Bubblicious family. Make sure you subscribe to
And
our
hit
channel.
the notification bell.
Say it again.
Notification.
Do it like you did before.
Notification bell.
So hit that notification bell.
Hit that notification bell.
Hey?
Hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell. I was about to say notification. What is it called?
Motivation.
Motivation
So,
bell.
and then just finish with thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the Bubblicious family.
Thanks for watching the Bubblicious family.
Subscribe below and follow us. Wiggle, wiggle.